let's say I have various clients. Oops. Client 1 through maybe 10, whatever. Okay, and each pays me a certain amount each month. So monthly fee, and let's say they all pay different amounts. That little series there will just be randomized if I drag that down. Oh, it's all going up, hold on. It went down, then back up. Right, okay, that'll do. Just kind of randomized. I will make those. Okay, so whatever. We've got some random numbers there, but each of them is paying me in a different currency. So let's say these were dollars, these were British pounds, and then these were in euros. But I wanted to know how much I was earning in euros. Well, I could put down what the currency is that they're paying me, and maybe these are all, what did I say, US dollars. And then these are pounds, and then these are euros. But I want the answer in euros to know where I stand in each month. I could put the exchange rate here and then put down like US dollars is 0.91, British pounds is about 1.18, and euros, well, that's 1. Okay, let's just make those. These buttons aren't working. There we go. And then my formula would be equal to that multiplied by that. Okay, and then I might have my total here. I prefer to have my totals at the top actually. So just insert here. So where is it? Sum sign. That cell, shift, control, bang, goes to the bottom. But I prefer to go all the way to the bottom, whatever that is. 100 odd, or was that a million rows? And sum all that lot. In case I add any more data below here, I just want them to be added in. And the reason I put the total at the top is if I have like 100 rows, I don't want to have to scroll all the way to the bottom to find them. That's quite annoying. The other thing, as I scroll down, I'm losing that data. If I select that cell there, I could do view, freeze panes. And now as I scroll, everything above that cell is frozen. I could unfreeze them. I could freeze here if I wanted, freeze panes. And then if I go to the right, that column is frozen as well. So that's kind of handy. So I'd end up probably just doing freezing panes there. So I now know that I'm making 13,000 revenue a month from my 14 clients. That's brilliant. Problem might come when later on we got like say 200 clients and the exchange rate is changed and it's now 0.89. And obviously I only want to change the 0.91s when it's US dollars to 0.89. Maybe there's something else that has a 0.91. There's some other currency where it's 0.91. I don't want to change those. I only want to change the US dollars. So better thing to do would be to create another sheet. So let's call this one data. And then this one exchange rates. And what have we got? We've got US dollars. So we've got these. Hold on. Currency and exchange rate. Let's grab all of those and paste them there. And obviously I don't want them duplicated, so I might as well go data, remove duplicates. Where are you? Which one is it? Remove duplicates. That one there. Okay, that. There we go. So I've got the currency and exchange rate there, and now I'm going to get rid of this and put VLOOKUP, whatever's in that cell, with whatever's in these two whole columns all the way to the bottom, and I want to pull back the second cell. So if it finds US dollars, I want to pull back the second cell, and then I want it to exactly match So I want it to be USD and not USD blah 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 afterwards. It has to match exactly that. That's all you need to do. So that's pulled that back, and there we go. I just clicked, sorry, let me undo that, Control Z, double clicked on that little black handle, and it went straight the way down, which is nice, isn't it? And because it's a formula, I have a convention. I make it grey and blue so people know, oh, that's a formula, because I tell everyone it's a formula, and these as well, so people know not to overwrite them. So now if the exchange rate changed, that went 0.89, just change it there, it changed there automatically, and it all got added up. I hope that helped. If you found this video useful, then please like and share. If you have any queries, then just ask in the comments below. If you want more Excel tips, then subscribe by clicking here. Also check out the video description below to get a handy Excel cheat sheet. You can watch another video by clicking here. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.